So, I'm wanting to make this video, and the idea of the joke is it's sort of, it's a fighting robot, right? And it's called Circular Saw, and I'm wanting to draw a circular saw or a circle, something that looks like it's spinning on this bit of paper, which is just an old bit of homework from years ago, so that I can do the joke. And I've got this impression, which kind of sounds like a circular saw spinning. So anyway, I think I'm just gonna draw a circle. Like that. And then maybe like some like sonic blades almost. And that's gonna be, it's not supposed to look good. And if I wanted it to look good, I wouldn't do it on paper. And then maybe just like a so it kind of looks like it's spinning like that, and then that's kind of fun. How does that look? Does that look like a spinning circular saw? Not really at all, but we're gonna go with it. So yeah, check out the video on my channel Valentine.